Meaning of explicit.
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 Explicit. Explicit means something that is clearly and directly expressed or shown, without any ambiguity or vagueness. It refers to things that are stated outright, openly or bluntly, without any attempt to disguise or conceal them. Explicit content can include mature themes, explicit language, sexual or violent material, or anything that may be considered controversial or offensive. In short, explicitness implies a lack of subtlety or innuendo, making it very clear what is being said or done. It is often used to create shock value or to convey a more raw, unfiltered message.